The present exchange cost range, 0.6440 0.6587, or so they by and large thought. A earlier day close, 0.6578. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The change truly was 0.0018, 0.27%, which especially is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, USD to Theta, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.58. Genuinely greatest 0.62, exceptionally least 0.54, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Theta gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.57. Fundamentally greatest 0.61, most certainly least 0.53 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.57. By and large greatest 0.61, least 0.53, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Theta figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.54, truly greatest 0.58, exceptionally least 0.50, or so they thought. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.56, genuinely most extreme 0.60, truly least 0.52, which truly is genuinely critical. In multi-week Theta conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $0.52, in every practical sense, greatest 0.56, really least 0.48, which certainly is very huge. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.52, extremely greatest 0.56, essentially least 0.48, or so they truly thought. Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.52, sort of greatest 0.56, exceptionally least 0.48, which generally is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.52, in every practical sense, greatest 0.56, truly least 0.48, which fundamentally is very huge. Theta conjecture on Friday, June 23, cost $0.52, extremely greatest 0.56, truly least 0.48, showing that fundamentally backwards rate, USD to Theta in a sort of huge manner. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $0.50, sort of greatest 0.54, extremely least 0.47 amazingly. Theta gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.50, in every practical sense, greatest 0.54, genuinely least 0.47, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.49, lovely greatest 0.52, in every practical sense, least 0.46 in an unobtrusive way. Theta gauge on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.50, truly greatest 0.54, by and large least 0.47 in an especially significant manner. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 30, cost $0.51, most certainly greatest 0.55, beautiful least 0.47, which essentially is very critical. In 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, July 3, cost $0.51, beautiful most extreme 0.55, kind of least 0.47 in a genuinely huge manner. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.51, really most extreme 0.55, certainly least 0.47 in a significant way. Theta estimate on Wednesday, July 5, cost $0.49, especially greatest 0.52, genuinely least 0.46. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost $0.50, truly greatest 0.54, kind of least 0.47 in a very significant manner. Theta gauge on Friday, July 7, cost $0.50, for the most part greatest 0.54, really least 0.47, which essentially is very critical. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.48, most extreme 0.51, exceptionally least 0.45. Theta figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.47, most extreme 0.50, certainly least 0.44 in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta conversion standard truly equivalent to 1.5244 coins per $1 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.57, truly greatest 0.61, least 0.53 in a really significant way. Today, S-reach 1.5182 minus 1.5528 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 1.5203, so Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.56, essentially most extreme 0.60, exceptionally least 0.52 in a kind of significant manner. Change for now plus 0.0041, plus 0.27%. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month and in every practical sense, significant way. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, June 12, cost 1.724 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 1.852, fundamentally least 1.613 in a very huge way. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 1.754 coins, exceptionally greatest 1.887, certainly least 1.639. So in about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $0.48, truly most extreme 0.51, certainly least 0.45 in a kind of enormous manner. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1.754 coins, fundamentally most extreme 1.887, especially least 1.639 in a significant way. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost 1.852 coins, essentially greatest 2.000, by and large least 1.724. Sort of additional appearance how dollar to Theta gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 1.724 coins, kind of most extreme 1.852, kind of least 1.613, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost 1.786 coins, beautiful most extreme 1.923, least 1.667, which by and large is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to Theta expectation on Monday, June 19, cost 1.923 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 2.083, really least 1.786, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost 1.923 coins, truly most extreme 2.083, sort of least 1.786, or so they essentially thought. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost 1.923 coins, especially most extreme 2.083, exceptionally least 1.786, exhibiting that dollar to Theta estimate on Friday, June 16, cost 1.786 coins, certainly greatest 1.923, most certainly least 1.667 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, June 22, cost 1.923 coins, essentially greatest 2.083, genuinely least 1.786, which for the most part is very critical. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, June 23, cost 1.923 coins, especially most extreme 2.083, really least 1.786, exhibiting how Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.49, exceptionally greatest 0.52, by and large least 0.